What is going on, everybody? If you're new to the channel, my name's Christian Robert, and on this channel we talk stocks, personal finance, and wealth building. And today is my favorite video of the month. We're talking dividends. I'm showing you all the dividends that I made in the month of June, mostly my TD Ameritrade. That's my main dividend portfolio. But at the end, I will also share with you quickly my Robinhood and M1 Finance dividends that I received. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I have a couple of special shout outs to fellow YouTubers, Passive Income Investor and JMac Investing. They both recently did videos about similar channels that they enjoy watching, and they both mentioned me. So, I thank you for that. I enjoy both of your channels as well. But if you're new to the channel because of them, comment down below and say hi. I love the interaction on YouTube. So, if you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me anything. Criticize me all you want. I love the interaction regardless, but let's just jump right into this one. So to start the month off, as always, we have Gain, which is my Gladstone REIT, and I received $16.58 on the 3rd. Next, we have the only ETF in the portfolio, and that is SPHD, high dividend, low volatility, $11.02. And then we have good old Ford at $7.88. And then next we have my speculative stock, but it has a dividend, so I threw it in this portfolio as well, and that brought me 30 cents. Next we have PFE, which is Pfizer. We have $27.48 from them. Next we have IBM, which is it's quickly becoming one of my biggest dividend payers, and it's at $49.68. It'll be exciting because from here on out I will be in the $50 range. Next we have Johnson & Johnson at $11.60. Then we have another REIT, AGNC, at $7.27. Then we have 3M. I'm sure you've heard a lot about this. Everybody's been talking about this stock lately because it's been dropping so much. And I brought in $11.62 from this. And if you notice here, we have another dividend from Gain, and that is because twice a year, semi-annually, they pay two dividends in the months of June and December. And so I received an additional $22.08, which is awesome. Then we have Kraft Heinz, $5.38. And then if we scroll up, we have Realty Income, which is by far my favorite stock, $30.57. So it's awesome to be bringing in $30 every single month from this stock. It is by far my biggest holding. Then we have Apple Hospitality, another REIT, $17.71. And then Home Depot at $2.76. And finally, the original stock in the portfolio, my one share of Public Storage at $2.10. And so if we add up the stocks for the month, we are sitting at, I just wrote it down, $224.03, which is awesome. The last 2 or 3 months I've been stuck in the high $100 range, so it's awesome to be back into the $200 range. If we go back and look at my last June, when I first started tracking my dividends, I brought in $155.06. So that is a 69% increase year over year, which is incredible to me. About a year and a half ago is when I really got dialed into my dividend investing strategy. Before then, I was kind of just all over the place. But if we add it up for the year, I'm sitting at $1,140.27. So we are perfectly on track. In the beginning of the year, I was expecting to bring in roughly $2,200 to $2,500. So we are perfectly right above 50% on that $2,200 mark. And that actually brought my monthly average up to $190.04. Now, if you follow the channel, you know that I have a bunch of mini goals I'm trying to hit, but one big one is that by the end of 2019, I never want to see a $100 dividend month again. So my goal is to get into the $200 monthly average range. So I'm $10 away from that. which really won't be hard because I actually just added some more stocks that you'll be able to notice in the next month. I added a little bit to Apple Hospitality, and I added 2 new positions, New Residential Corp, and I'll save the next one. I'll do a separate video on the next one. I won't say right now. But yeah, we should be at the $200 range in no time. But let's take a quick look through my other portfolios because I haven't been updating that much about these ones. And here we can see my Robinhood dividends for the month. I brought $1.35 from Switch, $2.66 from Skyworks, $1 from International Paper, $1.25 from CenturyLink, 12 cents from Prospect Capital, which is another REIT, 80 cents from Nvidia, and is that it? 19 cents from Flower Foods, and 15 cents from Bank of America. So if you add up my Robinhood, I brought in $7.52. So, if you follow my channel pretty well, you know that my Robinhood, like 50% of it is put into Tesla, but I'm actually getting back into dividend investing in this portfolio as well. But I've actually kind of taken a backseat to Robinhood because I've gotten pretty serious about M1 finance investing. So I put a lot of time and money into this account instead of Robinhood. So if we look at my dividends, you can see we're not going to go through all of these, but I'm starting to have a nice consistent flow of dividends within this portfolio as well. Very small amounts. The account is just sitting over $600 right now, but you can take a look at what you see. I have a pie for aggressive dividends, and it consists of many REITs and just high dividend payers. And so, it's a lot riskier, but this account is more built towards higher starting yields rather than growth dividends. So I brought in $1.12 for the month on M1, and the fact that I only have a $600 account in here, I'm perfectly happy bringing in $1. I think we're going to see this number quickly increase because I've been wanting to do a video. You know what? I'm going to do an M1 finance video next week talking more about it, but I've been getting more into the daily deposits. So I'm really seeing the benefits of that with M1, but that is for another discussion. But I don't want to drag this video out too long. So once again, if you're new to the channel, I welcome you and I thank you. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. Make sure you comment down below what you guys think of the channel. If you have any questions or opinions, I will be sure to answer. And I will see you guys in the next one.